Today, we are going to be looking at starting a new project in Unreal Engine. So you can see here you have different options, but most people use Unreal Engine to create games. So select your game setting and go to Next. Over here, you'll select the template to use to make your game. This is important because it defines the default setting of the game mode for your game. So this all decides what type of game you're making. You can choose a first-person shooter, a flying game, rolling, third person, any type of game you want, but this is the most important. For the sake of this video, I will just choose a blank template. This next part is your in-depth settings. So first here is blueprints. This is for people who program in this or prefer to do any kind of programming in this Unreal Engine. This is what you need to pay attention to. You can either use blueprints or C++ in this project, and this is where you'll choose what you want to use. This is how we control the quality of the game. Most people prefer to use maximum quality when creating their game. You can choose whether or not you prefer ray tracing enabled or disabled. I always disable mine. Over here is where you choose what type of console your game will be running on, desktop or mobile. You can also choose to have starter content in your game. I usually start without it. Down here is where you choose to store your files. I generally store mine on the desktop because I lose mine very easily. And this is where you'll name your project, and then you can just create.